Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Hello Kitty as an Easter bunny. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the bow. On the top right, let's start with a circle. And then on top, let's draw a curve up, down, and back in. And the same thing on the bottom right. Next, inside each one, let's draw a curve at the center. Next, let's hop underneath the bow on the right and let's draw a curve down for the side of the head. Now let's hop over to the left side, let's start slightly higher up and let's draw a curve down for the other side of the head. Next, on top, let's add the ears. On top of the bow, let's draw two curved lines coming up to a point. Now let's hop over to the left and let's do the same thing for the other ear. Next, before we finish drawing the top of the head, let's draw the bunny ears headband. Let's start next to the bow and let's draw a curve over to the left side of the head. And then another one on top. Now on top of the headband, let's draw a curve up and back down for the first ear. And then inside, let's draw a curve up and bring it back down. Now for the other bunny ear, let's move over on top of the bow and let's draw another curve up and back down. And another one inside. And that's it for the headband. Now let's finish drawing the top of the head. Let's start next to the ear and let's draw a curve over and then continue it on the other side to the bow. Now let's move down and let's draw the face. In the center, let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. And then two ovals for the eyes. And then color them both in black. Now top to the sides of the head and let's draw three curves out for the whiskers. Next, let's move down, and from the left side, let's continue the line over, stopping here. Now before we finish the head, let's move down and let's draw the arm underneath. Underneath the head, let's draw a long curve up and back down like this. Then let's add a small bump for the finger, and then a curve to close off the bottom. Next, let's draw the carrot in the hand. Let's start with two angles up, and then close off the top with a curve across. Next, on top of the carrot, let's draw a line up, and then a diagonal line on both sides. Then let's hop inside the carrot and let's draw two curves. And that's it for the carrot. Now let's finish closing off the right side of the head by continuing it down. Next, let's move down and let's draw the body. Underneath the carrot, let's draw a line down, and then a curve out to the right and back in. Now let's hop back over to the left side, and under the head, let's draw a diagonal line out and then curve it in. And then close it off at the bottom with a line across. Lastly, on the bottom left, let's draw a curve for the tail. And that's it for this Hello Kitty Easter Bunny. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!